Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Transatlantic. This is their part number Sf Rp124D-4ZCP. This is a reinforcing plate. This is designed to be used, well, aluminum storefronts obviously would be what I'm thinking you're going to be using this on because of the drilled and tapped holes, and then the marginal countersink that's there as well, so that when you drill and countersink the hole through the aluminum, you still will have an allowance to get the entire screw in so that it's flush. So they're making some area down there for that. 1224 threads are going to be tapped everywhere. The 4 mounting holes, then the 4 holes for the hinges. The template of those screw locations for those holes is indeed called template pattern. It's for a 4.5-inch hinge. Overall height of the plate, about 7 7/8. Overall width, about 1 3/16 inches. Has a very, very slight amount of offset to it. You can see that here. Okay. Hinge reinforcing plates. You're going to see these all the time on interior aluminum storefront style frames where they're going to install into them wood doors occasionally. You'll see these in aluminum storefront systems on the exterior of openings. There is an image below this video giving the important dimensional properties of where the holes are laid out. They have 7 5/16 for the overall length, and that is actually correct. 7.953. It is actually 7 15/16. Forgive me what I just said. 7 15/16. Let me give you the confirmation of the rest of the screw holes. 5.5-inch center to center here, that's correct. 7-inch center to center from here to here is also correct. And then the locations for these are just typical template pattern that you're going to see on a commercial grade hinge, 4.5 by 4, 4.5, 4.5. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's, what they call a product brochure, and that's handy. It shows all of the current transatlantic storefront hardware, and the reinforcing plates are currently found down on page 6, where you're going to see a number of different models of them. And what's going to vary really between them are the location of the screw holes that will differentiate the difference between them. So that is what you're going to be checking first, especially if you have pre-existing holes. But this is a very common model as well. The plate thickness is 3/16 of an inch, and that's typical and standard. Zinc finish, I will say, definitely steel. Corrosion resistant coating. Any questions on the Transatlantic? Sf Rp124D-4ZCP reinforcing plate, their 951 TU model, or any other Transatlantic product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.